Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Cephas don't talk your own this morning. He say a lot of youth for Edo State are behind Obaseki. He say responsible youth dey with Obaseki. So make I leave you now with Cephas, make you hear from him mouth.
This is a very quick one. Let me quickly drop this. You know, my heart is so full of joy because of how things are turning for good for us. I have been talking with some responsible Edo youths, and I want to let you all know that we have a lot of responsible youth in Edo State that we cannot undermine. There are a lot of responsible youth in Edo State. A good statistician will tell you this. We have more responsible youth in Edo State than the South. I've been talking with a lot of youth in Edo State because myself, I'm on ground, but I have not truly been on ground perfectly because you all know I'm very tender in my marriage. So as a man, I understand very well that if you want to have peace in your home, if you want to have joy, love in your home, you need to work closely with your home. You need to work closely with your wife. So I try as much as possible as I can at this early stage of my marriage to work closely with my wife in order to build a very strong foundation for my family. So now, why am I doing the whole of this? Because it pays, it profits to have a good home. The same way, it profits to have a good society. Some of the responsible youth in Edo State that we have, they've been calling me, giving me reasons with great evidence why I should support His Excellency Godwin Nogegase Obaseki. I told them, brother, you guys have been telling me great things he has done, which are his primary responsibilities. Fine, I'm happy you guys are appreciating it. But for me, I cannot come out and talk about these things because I have not made out time myself personally to go and check if all these things you guys are campaigning with are really there. I'm not dumb. You know, I know you are my friend. I know we know each other better. But I must see by my own soul before I can come out before the entire public to tell them this is what it is. So I won't deceive the society. I won't destroy the society when I'm building my own home. It's foolishness. If I need a peaceful home, I need a peaceful society. I don't need to talk. I don't need to talk to anybody about what I don't know. I will only tell them what I know. I said, I am happy you guys appreciate the kind of governor you have. So I am happy that he said they are not making noise. And let me tell you, the responsible youth in Edo State who are actually supporting Godwin Nogegase Obaseki, they don't make noise. There's so much belief in the decision they've made that this man has worked for us and we are going to stand by him for him to come back for the second time. I said, for me, I'm not comfortable with second tenure because so many politicians, so many leaders have proven to me that they only reward themselves in the second tenure. You see, so I have that fear. But if we'll have it by the grace of God, that Godwin Nogegase, His Excellency, become the governor of Edo State again, come this second tenure, this coming election, come this very coming election, I personally will be glad to have him to prove someone like me wrong. That they all are not the same. He had done a lot in the state and people are talking well. See, let me make you understand through this video. A lot of youth in Edo State, a lot of people in Edo State are behind Godwin Nogegase Obaseki. Let me be frank to the entire world. The people are not blind. His Excellency, your people are behind you. The people of Edo State, they are behind you. So I want to beg you in the name of God Don't fail us. Don't fail the people. I pray God gives us the victory. It's never going to be by war. Peacefully, we are going to get there by the grace of God. And when you get there, sir, please prove people like me wrong. That a governor that has done well in the first tenure can do much better in the second tenure. And if you do this, His Excellency, I tell you, even though you want to go for presidency tomorrow, we the people of Edo State, we will stand by you strongly. We will be there to make sure we give you that victory to be there to serve us. One good Thursday says, deserves another. Deserves another. So I pray to God Almighty to give us the peace we need in Edo State. To put the works of the enemies into shame. Those who says they are thirsty of blood, they are going to drink their own blood. Those who says they are thirsty of their hunger for flesh, they are going to eat their own flesh. The Lord is going to scatter them asunder. I'm going to make them to go disarray. If they take counsel, it shall not stand. The evil which they wish against Edo State shall fall upon their head and swallow them up. Yes, enough is enough. Let us have it right once and for all. Let the common man in the street get the light of the day. Let the common man in the street get the light of the day. People are being compelled to do all manner of things to survive. Is this how we continue to live our lives? God forbid. Why we have resources. Why we even have human resources. We have people with great intellectualities. But yet we are still where we are. We have a lot of brilliant and intelligent people in the society. Yet we are where we are. What is it? If we all have this enabling environment, I strongly believe that to turn Nigeria to a great nation is a very simple thing. To make Edo State get better and get great is a very small thing. So I pray God continue to bless us all. Have a nice day. Respect.
Let us know what you think from the way Cephas take explain his own concerning Godwin Obaseki coming back again to rule Edo people. Go to comment section, make you put am for there. And make you help us share this video to friends and family. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.